Hey guys, Zaman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can see the Wi-Fi password in your phone or how you can easily connect to any Wi-Fi without password. I will show you 3 methods in this video. All the methods are working, so if you find this video helpful, then please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. First method, see Wi-Fi password with QR code. You can easily see the Wi-Fi password in the Android phone without root. Go to your phone settings, then go to wireless and network, tap on Wi-Fi. From there, you will see a list of all the available Wi-Fi networks on your phone. Tap on the Wi-Fi, it will show you the QR code. Take a screenshot of this image. As you know, you can take a screenshot with pressing both the power button and volume down buttons together. To view the saved Wi-Fi password, open the browser of your phone and go to the website. The link of this website is available in the video description. You can upload the screenshot here. To view the password, click in the upload button and choose the screenshot of the QR code. And then click on submit. It will show you the exact password of your Wi-Fi. So here is the Wi-Fi password, Harun512. Next method is with WPS button. You can connect to any Wi-Fi without a password. If you have access to Wi-Fi router but don't know the password, you can easily connect to Wi-Fi without password by pressing a single button. First of all, you will find where your Wi-Fi router is. In this process, you don't need any software and application. On Wi-Fi router, find WPS button. You can see WPS button behind the router. When you found the WPS button, just push that for a second. You have about 60 seconds to connect it with your phone. If you will waste that time, you will have to press WPS button again. After pressing the WPS button on the router, then go to your mobile Wi-Fi. And here if I want to connect with Fahed Zaman, it's asking for password. Tap on more and click on WPS push button. The connection process will start. It will just take 4 to 5 seconds and it will connect to your Wi-Fi without any password. WPS push button may be in different location in your mobile model. Here I have another mobile. Let's try on this one. In the Wi-Fi section, tap on Wi-Fi preferences, tap on advanced, and here is WPS push button. Your phone will be automatically connect to Wi-Fi without password. Third method is how you can see connected Wi-Fi password on your phone using IP address and Android browser. In your phone browser, type 192.168.10.1 or 192.168.0.1. Now it will ask username and password. You can find the IP address, username and password on backside of the router. After login, setting page will be open. Go to wireless, then tap on security. Tap on click here to display. Here you can see Wi-Fi password. So these are 3 working methods to see Wi-Fi password or connect Wi-Fi without password. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.